Looking for the best dash cam to protect your car in 2026? Whether you want crystal clear 4K recording, reliable night vision, advanced parking protection, or complete 360-degree coverage, today's list has the perfect option for every driver. We've compared video quality, smart features, storage, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the right dash cam. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 70 May 4K T800 3-channel dash cam. The T800 records in 4K for the front camera, 4K for the rear camera, and 1080p for the interior camera, ensuring every angle is captured with exceptional clarity. It features Sony's STARVIS 2 IMX678 image sensor, which delivers excellent color accuracy and outstanding low light performance. One of the biggest advantages is its HDR night vision, making license plates and road signs much easier to recognize during nighttime driving. It also comes with 512 GB storage, giving you plenty of space for continuous recording. With Wi-Fi 6, you can quickly transfer footage to your smartphone, while 4G LTE connectivity enables remote monitoring and alerts. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, provide additional driving safety, and 24-hour parking mode continuously monitors your vehicle even when you're away. Pros: triple camera coverage, sharp 4K front and rear recording, excellent STARVIS 2 night vision, huge 512 GB storage, Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE connectivity, ADAS safety features, reliable 24-hour parking mode. If you want maximum protection with premium features and full vehicle coverage, the 70 May T800 is one of the best dash cams you can buy in 2026. Number 2. REDTIGER F77 Dual 4K Dash Cam. Both the front and rear cameras record in true 4K resolution, producing incredibly detailed footage during both daytime and nighttime driving. Dual STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, combined with HDR technology, deliver excellent performance during both daytime and nighttime driving. A built-in 128 GB eMMC storage offers faster and more reliable recording than traditional memory cards. The large 4-inch touchscreen makes reviewing footage and changing settings quick and simple. Additional features include voice control, built-in GPS for speed and route tracking, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfers, and 24-hour parking monitoring for added security. Pros: dual 4K recording, excellent STARVIS 2 image sensors, fast built-in storage, large touchscreen, voice control, GPS included, great night vision. If you're looking for excellent video quality and premium convenience features, the REDTIGER F77 is an excellent choice. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Dual Pro. It records in 4K resolution at the front and 2K at the rear, producing sharp, detailed footage in nearly every driving condition. The combination of STARVIS 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors deliver excellent low-light performance and vibrant colors. ROVE includes a free 128 GB memory card and a CPL filter, helping reduce windshield glare for cleaner recordings. One standout feature is Wi-Fi 6, allowing download speeds of up to 30 megabytes per second, making it one of the fastest dash cams for transferring videos to your smartphone. It also includes GPS logging, a clear 3-inch IPS display, loop recording, and dependable 24-hour parking mode. Pros: excellent 4K front recording, fast Wi-Fi 6 transfers, free 128 GB card included, CPL filter included, strong night vision, GPS tracking. If you're looking for premium features and excellent value, the ROVE R2-4K Dual Pro is the smartest purchase available. Number 4. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dash cam. Unlike most dash cams, this model features 4 separate cameras, recording the front, rear, interior, and surrounding areas simultaneously. This makes it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, and anyone who wants maximum vehicle coverage. Its 3K front recording delivers detailed video, while the built-in 3.18-inch touchscreen provides simple access to recordings and settings. Additional features include voice control, GPS tracking, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, a free 128 GB memory card, and continuous 24/7 parking monitoring. Pros: 4-camera recording system, complete 360-degree coverage, touchscreen display, voice control, GPS included, memory card included, excellent parking surveillance. For drivers who want the highest level of protection, especially rideshare drivers, the BOTSLAB 4-channel system is an outstanding investment. Number 5. REDTIGER F77 Touch Dashcam. It records crisp 4K front video along with a high-quality rear camera, ensuring reliable evidence whenever you drive. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 image sensor, nighttime footage remains clear and detailed. The included 128 GB memory card allows you to start recording immediately without buying extra accessories. Features like 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, built-in GPS, loop recording, parking mode, and the responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen make everyday operations simple and convenient. Pros: sharp 4K recording, STARVIS 2 night vision, touchscreen controls, voice control, GPS included, free 128 GB card, excellent value. If you want premium recording quality and useful smart features without spending a fortune, the REDTIGER F77 Touch is a fantastic value. So, those were our top 5 best dash cams of 2026. Whether you're looking for complete 360-degree protection, crystal clear 4K recording, or the best value for your money, there's a dash cam on this list to fit your needs. You'll find links to all 5 products in the description below, where you can check the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.